choosing the best fertilizer for your fruits and vegetables. Hello, garden enthusiasts, welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the world of fertilizers. Specifically, we'll be discussing the best fertilizers for your fruits and vegetables. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this video will help you make the right choice for a thriving garden. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Let's get growing. Before we jump into the list of the best fertilizers, let's talk about the types of fertilizers available. There are three primary types of fertilizers: organic, synthetic, and slow release. Organic fertilizers are made from natural materials. Synthetic fertilizers are chemical-based. And slow-release fertilizers provide nutrients over an extended period. Which one is best for your garden? Well, it depends on your gardening goals and preferences. Let's start with organic fertilizers. These are derived from natural sources like compost, manure, and bone meal. Organic fertilizers enrich the soil with essential nutrients and improve its structure. They're great for long-term soil health and sustainable gardening practices. Some popular organic options include compost, fish emulsion, and worm castings. These are fantastic choices for gardeners who want to build healthy soil and support a thriving ecosystem. Now, let's talk about synthetic fertilizers. These are formulated with specific nutrient ratios and are often labeled with numbers like 10, 10, 10, indicating the proportions of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Synthetic fertilizers offer precise control over nutrient delivery. Common synthetic fertilizers include ammonium nitrate and urea. These can provide quick and targeted nutrient boosts. However, be cautious about overusing them, as they can harm soil health over time if not applied correctly. Lastly, we have slow-release fertilizers. These pellets or granules gradually release nutrients over an extended period, offering a steady supply to your plants. They're an excellent choice for busy gardeners or those who want to avoid frequent applications. Some popular slow-release options include Osmocote and granular organic fertilizers. These are great for maintaining consistent plant growth without the risk of nutrient imbalances. Consider these factors when making your decision. First, conduct a soil test. Understanding your soil's pH and nutrient levels will help you select the right fertilizer to address any deficiencies. Second, consider your plant's specific nutrient requirements. Fruits like tomatoes may need extra potassium, while leafy greens benefit from nitrogen-rich fertilizers. Third, think about the application method. Some fertilizers are best for top dressing, while others are designed for incorporation into the soil. Lastly, consider the environmental impact. If sustainability is a priority, organic or slow-release fertilizers are eco-friendly options that promote soil health and reduce runoff. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to the best fertilizer for your fruits and vegetables. It depends on your garden's unique conditions and your preferences as a gardener. Experiment, learn, and enjoy the process of nurturing your plants to bountiful harvests. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow gardeners. Happy gardening! Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more informative videos, and may your garden flourish with the best fertilizer choice. Until next time, keep those green thumbs growing.